Intent with effort yields results but has limitations. While intent and effort braced with technology and innovation produce outcomes beyond imagination. Vidwath, a pro-technology solutions provider, imbibed the need of the hour and brewed the thought of revamping conventional practices with more productive ones by bringing technology-based innovative solutions to the fore. Vidwath unveils a bouquet of solutions that enable organizations and people to overcome the hurdles posed by conventional methods. Thus, the mission to widen the reach and make digital solutions accessible to all embarked. The ready-to-use solutions introduced by Vidwath are software and hardware-based, and they reach out to the end user as a combination of well-integrated solutions or standalone products. Vidwath stepped up to the smart school concept with an expertly integrated combo of software and hardware, the Smart Class and Smart Lab solutions. The Smart Class solutions eliminate the discrepancies in conventional learning patterns by empowering the teacher with more productive solutions. Sessions driven by interactive and visually engaging formats make the learning process captivating, collaborative, and fruitful. The thought was not just limited to reach out with intriguing content formats, but also to co-create intelligent, supporting attributes that complement each other. Vidwath set off on the mission to revolutionize process through innovative methods in 2013. By 2024, Vidwath garnered quite a lot of attention. The reciprocation was an acknowledgement, a token of appreciation from various authorities as awards, certifications, and recognitions. The idea, act, and subsequent outcome created a noticeable ripple in the education scenario. The visibility grew in leaps and bounds, and the appreciation for solutions and products got louder, with services extending to other segments. The figures are appraisal, a happiness quotient for Team Vidwath that keeps the urge to go on and deliver better each time. A decade in pursuit, Vidwath is on a dream run as every milestone became a gateway for another. Vidwath, simplified solutions.